Hello guys, welcome to techskillstutorial. This is your guy Johnson Kevin here today on this video episode. I'm here once again to give you an update about the best loan app in Nigeria. So here guys, I want to give you a tips about this updated news, like this updated app on ground that can actually give you a loan very fast and easy. Just with your few details you can get a loan, but at first this is just for educational purposes and also to help you for in the times of emergency. And be warned, like, you shouldn't take loan if you are not using it for something meaningful. Just for emergencies you can take loan, and also for maybe other purposes of housekeeping, and if you can also pay back, is also good. So guys, without taking much time, please support my channel. I appreciate for giving me 800 subscribers. I really appreciate. So please guys, support me by hitting the subscribe button and also the bell icon to always get notified when I upload new videos like this, guys. So without taking much time, do not forget that you'll be getting more updates from me when you follow me, and also make some comments in the section below. If you have any question to ask, you can also drop on the comment section below. Tell me any kind of video you want me to create for you. I will make research and I come back here to give you the tips and updates in the online business or whatever we call it. But I believe that you'll be making money if you follow me up on my channel, because I post on ways you can make money online, and I also give you the update when you're going the wrong way of making money online, and I tell you the best way you can follow to make at least a little money online as a side hustle when you are with me. So guys, subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon, and please do not also forget to share my video. I really appreciate for supporting my channel. Thank you. So this is the app here, right here, looking at us. We can open up the app. The app here, you can see the name, and what you just do is go to your Play Store, download the app, and also I'll be dropping the link of this app on my description below, and also be dropping my my referral code or my referral link. Make sure you follow my referral link also. That is for me to make a benefit of promoting this app. Before promoting this app, I've made due diligence of this app. I've gone to research. I've went to Trustpilot to check on this app. I've go through their review. I've read their review. This is one of the apps that can give you money, and it's very fast. This app is 98% sure to give you money. The only 2% there is that you should be using your personal phone to collect the money. You should also make sure that your details are correct, and also lastly, make sure that you are not sharing your phone with somebody. You understand? Sharing your phone with somebody is very bad, very bad. They might not really give you, if they happens to know that you're sharing your phone. There are many ways for you to share your phone, like using a VPN on your phone. This phone wouldn't like you to have a VPN on your phone and you are applying for money. No, they wouldn't like that. So if you know you are using VPN on your phone, uninstall it, take loan from this app, and install your VPN back. So guys, please, that's all for today, and do not forget, support my channel by subscribing, guys. So we always love to give you an update. And if you have any question, you can hit me up on WhatsApp, and also send me a message on my email, techskillstutorial. So guys, this is all we have for today. So take care, guys. We'll see you on the next video episode coming up today or tomorrow. Today is 1st of December. So guys, I'm wishing you happy new month and happy December. Okay, so guys, I'll be dropping another video today, being 1st, or tomorrow. So expect another video, another hit track video. This video is coming up for promo. Like, this video is going to come in with a lot of ways to make money. This is just one way that I've been making money for myself, so I would like to share it with you guys. Just stay tuned, and tomorrow you're going to see the video. Bye, take care.